Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today we have a very awesome review. If you watch our channel and you see in the comments a lot somebody by the name of Bronco 78, well, guess what? This is his 78 Ford Bronco. So I'm going to read a few things off here because my memory is not that good. 77,920 1978 Broncos built. That's pretty cool. Almost 78,000 for a 78 Bronco. 59,180 came with a 351 two-barrel, right? 351M. 44,000 had the automatic transmission. 130 of them were painted Wimbledon white and bright red. So here's the big difference. If you pay attention to the paint scheme, this one's predominantly Wimbledon white with the red secondary color, the red in the middle, versus red and white, right? So you'd have the red top and bottom. So this is pretty cool. A lot of people don't catch on that is a rare breed. So if you look at this Bronco, it is nice, it's cool. I like these vent windows. Imagine sitting in the back seat and you're cruising down the road at like 80 miles an hour and you're catching that wind in here, and that's sort of the rear AC for this. So if you look inside, this is under construction. This Bronco is being worked on, which is pretty cool. It's being modified one part, one piece at a time. So the red and white and the chrome really looks good together. You know, you're starting to run out of the Bronco Ranger XLT, right? If you look at the badge, this Bronco's rare because mainly the paint scheme itself. Come right here in the front, Gavin, I'll show you something. Check out the bumper, right? This is old school. You can see where you could put the fog lights in here. The reason why I say it's old school is, look, this thing is real steel. I mean, it is awesome. So the 78 Bronco, like I said, you're starting to see more and more and more of them be restored. There was a point in time there to where, you know, you could pick one up pretty cheap, but not now. And you saw earlier on another video, if you haven't seen it yet, look for it here on our channel, of the Godzilla swaps, right? Where they're putting the Godzilla with the 10-speed in the 78, 79 Bronco, the second generation. So that's a pretty cool thing as well. And I'll let Gavin point out a couple of things to you as well.
So what I really like about this girl is, first of all, the square headlights. I love the round ones on the newer ones, but I also do like the older square ones. And I like, of course, how it's made from real metal, real steel. And a lot of people ask me this question: would I put square fog lights or round fog lights? I would do, depending on the model with the square or round headlights, I would do square for this one because it matches everything. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. So on the wheels right here, on the 6th gen Bronco or the newer ones, you have a button that locks your hubs. But on the older ones, this is how you lock your hubs. You twist it, so this is on free, but you lock it over here, that little arrow is on free, but if you turn it, it'll go on lock. And I like these wheels because they're just really cool in general. And yeah, they're whole deep dish, and they're very cool. So this Bronco has a Marty report, which shows all of the things this has and how many of this type of Broncos were built. This is very unique, like you saw earlier in the video, because of the paint scheme. So this is going to wrap up the video of the 1978 Ford Bronco XLT, or Bronco Ranger XLT, I should say. And special thanks to Bronco 78 for lending us this Bronco to do a review of. And make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video, and comment on what you want to see next.